Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you a Priceline haul. So Priceline, like I never buy makeup full price. I just... Happy birthday to you. I'm so sorry. I've got my little toddler here with me. He's not going to leave me alone. So I was like, look, you know what? So let him play there. I've got to film this video. Let's just get into it. I never buy makeup full price anymore. That's just the way it is. Like I refuse to buy makeup full price. I'm always searching for a coupon, always searching for a discount. And when they do come out with their half price on selected brands, I go ham all the time. So Priceline recently had half price Maybelline, half price Revlon and L'Oreal I think, and I got a bunch of things and I thought I'd just show it to you guys today. I haven't done a makeup haul for so long, but yeah, I'm so excited to go through and share with you guys what I got. So let's just jump straight into the video. First up, quite boring, I got my Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation and I'm in the shade 222. This is just a restock. I literally buy like 10 bottles of these at a time, but they only had one left at the Priceline that I went to, so I could only get my hand on one. I also got the Maybelline Super Stay Active Wear foundation, the 30-hour foundation. Like honestly, who's gonna be wearing foundation for 30 hours? Not me, but I just thought I'd give this one a go. I love the color that's in the bottle. I just used the online shade matcher and I think it gave me 36 warm sun. I'm definitely gonna do a review video on this foundation for you guys. Next up, another foundation I got is the Revlon Photo Ready Candid Foundation, and I grabbed the shade 330. There we go, 330 Light Honey. Hopefully I got the right shade, but again, I really want to do a review video for you guys on this foundation. I kind of want to like experiment with foundations. Like I mean, I've got a ton, but I kind of want to experiment more on the drugstore foundation because I literally use this one every single day. So just want to switch up my foundations, see what's working for me. So hopefully this one and the other Maybelline one will work out for me. Next up, I got the Maybelline Face Studio Prime, and this is in the Pore Minimizing Primer. So I've got the anti-redness one, that works quite well, but I thought I'd grab the Pore Minimizing one as well, just because I've noticed that like my nose, the pores on my nose are really big. So I just wanted to test a new primer out and see if this will reduce my pore size around my nose area. So I'm excited to try this one out as well. Might do a review on this one as well. Next up, I've got a bunch of Maybelline products, face products. So first up, I got the Matte and Poreless powder. The Matte and Poreless foundation is like my holy grail. So I thought I'd pick up this powder just to see how it goes, how it matches. I'm not necessarily going to use this as an under eye powder, but maybe an all over the face kind of powder. So I just got the shade 220 Natural Beige. Next up, I got the Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this is in the shade Rose Claire. And I thought it was a very nice, like, rosy pink color. I'm really into those kind of blush shades, so I can't wait to try this one out. Next up, I'm so excited for this one. I got the Master Chrome metallic highlighter. I was tossing up between two. I was like, oh, should I be excessive and get two? It was more of a gold tone, but I ended up getting this pink tone because it kind of resembles Mary Luminizer. So I thought, yeah, I'd just try this one out. I might do a review on this one as well for you guys, but it's so shiny even just in the packaging. So I'm so excited to try this one. This one is in the shade Rose Gold. Next up, of course, I had to get a bronzer to match the rest of the Maybelline face products that I got. So I got the City bronzer, and I think this is only one shade, or maybe there's three, but I got the medium cool 200. So it looks like quite a matte bronzing, matte and cool tone shade. I love matte bronzers. Yeah, so I'm excited to give this one a go. Next up, I got a Maybelline mascara. So I love mascaras, but it's so hard to find a good one. So I thought I'd give this one a go. This one is the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and I always get waterproof, like always. So this is the waterproof mascara. The wand looks like that. And this is so similar to, Too Faced is Better Than Sex. That's the one that they have. So I was like, oh, I might give this one a go. So maybe I'll do a review on that and let you guys know how it goes as well. And then finally, I got some lip colors because, I'm a sucker for lip colors. This is the Maybelline Ultimate Lip Colors from Maybelline. I've never seen these before. I'm so excited to use them. I've got 2 shades, more buff and more taupe. They look like really nice shades, like my kind of shades. So I will definitely be doing a review and wear for you video for you guys. So look out for these. And also really similar to this packaging, but I also grabbed the Superstay ink crayons. I think I'm real sucker for these kind of like thin cylinder packaging. But again, I'm so excited to use them. I got the shade Enjoy the View and On the Grind. Again, these are very much my type of colors, my kind of shades. Excited to see if they're true to color than what's in the tube. But again, please keep an eye out on a review. I definitely want to start, reviewing products for you guys. Last but not least, I got a few lip liners, of course. I just grabbed the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liners. I got 2 colors. One is called Magnetic Mauve and the other is called Almond Rose. Again, I just wanted to stock up on my lip liner collection. I should have grabbed a brown shade as well. I might go back and grab a brown shade as well. Alright, that is all for my haul today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I just wanted to kind of do a haul for you guys, show you guys what I bought, but I definitely want to put out a few review videos for these new products that I grabbed. So stay tuned for that. If you liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel since you're already here. Thank you guys so much for watching up until the end of the video as always, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye!